Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, do you know how to fix GCash Custom ROM or unlock bootloader? So here, let's go to the process. So first of all, we will click on phone settings option. Click on it. Search build number option. Build number. So here, you just need to click on build number and click on build number again. Click on 4 to 5 times. Four, 5 and 6. You just need to put the screen lock password here. Open build number. Now go back and click on developer option. Just need to click on developer options. Now you can see developer option is there. You have to click on turn off developer option, and before that you have to click on OEM unlocking. So this is the OEM unlocking. You can click on this. Again, it is asking for password, screen password. If it is unable, I am just telling this process. If it is already turned on, then you have to simply click on turn off. Okay. And then again need to click on developer option. That option should be turned off. Click on it. Let's go back. Restart the phone and your problem is resolved. So I hope this process have helped you out. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.